Alright, got up. Check out this French toast I made with whatchamacallit. Look at that. Oh baby. And then I'm gonna make a whatever this fruit is called, I forgot. Like a syrup. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, French toast. I made it out of these. Pretty cool. It's gonna taste awesome. I gotta make my papaya syrup. There we go. Okay, here we go. See how it goes. I think it came out more like a jam than a syrup, but it's got a... Ah, it's hot! It's got a whatchamacallit. It's got a cool stuff. Oh yeah, there we go. Bing. Bada boom. All I need is the whipped cream. Let's give it a try. Nothing taking out by your... Oh, so good.